Perhaps you're considering purchasing a dust control fan system for your facility, but have no idea how much they cost. Well, on this episode of You Ask, We Answer, we'll let you know how to create a fan system budget that works for you. I'm Jordan with SonicAire, and this is You Ask, We Answer. And in these short videos, we'll answer your questions about fugitive dust, our fans, and how to keep your facility safe, efficient, and compliant, guaranteed. If at the end of this video you find the information helpful, give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel down below. You can also connect with us on LinkedIn for more helpful information on how to keep dust at bay in your facility. Well, if you work in a dust or fiber processing facility, you probably know how time-consuming, labor-intensive, and production-stopping manual housekeeping can be. It costs a lot of money to keep an industrial facility safe, clean, and compliant. And if you've seen any of our other videos, you probably are already aware that a SonicAire fan system can be a great alternative to regularly cleaning your overhead spaces. So, I know what you're probably thinking. Sounds great, but how much does one of these fans actually cost? Well, we could tell you the price of a fan, but that probably wouldn't answer the question that you're really asking. What you probably really want to know is how much would a fan system cost for my facility? Well, let's take a look at a real-world example. Here we see a drawing of a paper processing facility. This customer asked us to focus on just the area of the facility where the primary dust-generating equipment operates. We designed a fan system that utilized 6 of our fans for total coverage of this area and included one of our central control panels. The installed cost for this system was less than $2.50 per square foot. So for just a few dollars per square foot, our customer is now able to forget about their overhead spaces and focus on their profit-generating activities like production. So since this system was installed by our trained professionals, it came with SonicAire's compliance guarantee. And this customer now has peace of mind that this area of their facility will be in compliance with NFPA standards for their overhead dust levels. So, if you're trying to create a fan system budget for dust generating areas of your facility, start with $250 per square foot for an installed cost. Now keep in mind that there are 5 factors to consider that can cause this price per square foot to change. Number 1, dust type. If your dust is sticky, wet, or extra fine, or extra heavy, this can actually impact the performance of the fans and may require denser fan coverage for your facility. Number 2, area classification. If you have a Class 2 hazardous location rated environment, you will need fans that are specially certified for these areas. And the cost of the electrical components like junction boxes and conduit will also be more expensive, but you're probably already aware of that. Number 3, temperature and moisture. If you have a high heat, extra high humidity environment, such as over a paper making machine, a particle board press, or some kind of dryer, you may also need specially rated fans for these types of areas. Number 4, accessibility. If the location where the fans will be installed in your facility is difficult to access from a man lift or requires special scaffolding, this will add to the cost of the project. And number 5, your electrical infrastructure. If you have adequate 3-phase power available near the fan system and don't need a complex wiring configuration, well, great. But if there's not adequate power easily available or you want a more sophisticated control setup, it can add some additional installation costs. So as you begin considering a dust control fan system, prepare for a minimum budget of $250 per square foot for the areas you'd like to protect against fugitive dust buildup. And contact our team to get an accurate design and plan for your specific facility. Hey, we love to hear from you, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And if you have an idea for one of our videos, please let us know by leaving feedback on our YouTube channel in the comments below or on our LinkedIn page. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.